Ready for occupancy units na may low down payment? Hi guys, it's me again Leng, your property specialist, and today andito ako sa Idesha Lipa for another house tour. And yes, for as low as 30,000 down payment, pwede ka na makabili ng sarili mong bahay dito kay Idesha Lipa. This property is located at Barangay Inisloban, Lipa City, Batangas. Just a few minutes drive away from SLEX Balete Exit. And maganda dito, malapit tayo sa mga shopping malls, hospitals, at mga school like University of Batangas, the Paramount Medical Center, Lipa Medics Medical Center, SM City Lipa, Lima Estates, and Fiesta Mall. This is Talia Single Attached. Floor area is 52 square meters with lot area of 80 square meters. This is with balcony, provision for 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. This is a dressed up unit. Makikita nyo na napaka-spacious pa rin ang ating living and dining area kahit may gamit na ito. And good news, we accept Pag-ibig housing loan and bank financing. This is your master's bedroom with balcony.
Wow!
Ito naman yung actual turnover unit ng Talia. This is a bare type unit, wala pang finish, wala pang mga fixture, kaya pwede mo i-customize according sa gusto mo. Pwede mo siyang gawin exactly what you want. Gusto mo ba ng modern style? Gusto mo ba ng traditional style? Pwede mo siyang gawan ng anything. For the amenities, we have swimming pool, clubhouse, parks and playgrounds, basketball court, jogging path, and landscape gardens. So kung interesado ka sa unit na ito, huwag mong kalimutang i-message ako. I am Lillian Scopete, your property specialist.